In this time and space, you have the opportunity to let go of all of your worldly issues and transcend into the dimensions of your mind, to a place where stress and anxiety doesn't exist. And all there is the purest version of you, untouched and at peace. First of all, I want you to close your eyes and just focus on the things that you can hear around you, however big or small. You might hear a humming in the room. You might hear noises outside your window or your breathing. Put 100% of your focus into what you can hear. It's funny how within 30 seconds of just putting our attention towards one of our senses, we gain this sense of presence. Presence is the key to stress and anxiety relief. Stress and anxiety only exists in our thoughts of the future. That's a mantra I want you to take away from this meditation today. If you're feeling stressed and anxious, it's because somewhere within the dimensions of your mind, your attention is on what you need to do or what you have done. Stress and anxiety cannot exist here and now. It's simply a thought process. That's why these kind of practices can be very powerful, because they remind us that we create our own reality. Now, focus on what you can see. What's in your room? Or if you're outdoors, what can you see around you? Put 100% of your focus into this. Notice how peaceful it is again. This peace can be tapped into in your everyday life, whether you're at work, whether you're out and about in a social situation and you're feeling slightly nervous, whether you've got a presentation you have to do at work. The present moment is the key to feeling good. This was just a very short meditation today. A reminder that as long as you can bring yourself back to this very moment and breathe and focus on what you can sense around you, then your problems become non-existent. I hope you have an amazing day, and remember to take this mantra with you. Stress and anxiety can only exist with our thoughts of the future, and it cannot exist in the present moment. Have an amazing day.